And here we go, guys. Something to change on me. And not just my vibe. I can stabilize my vibe now. And my energy, my aura. And if you are in mood, you have that energy, you have that aura. But if you're overwhelmed, you're tired, you you that aura will not show and you appear no presence, and then you appear no presence at all. And there's a thing na natutunan ko sa buhay as for now. And ang isang natutunan ko, pag sumama yung emosyon mo, sumama yung pakiramdam mo, diba? Something over, sometime I get confused kung bakit bigla-biglang sumasama yung pakiramdam mo. Bakit bigla-biglang wala naman akong ginawang mali? Bakit parang ang bigat at miserable ng buhay ko? Like, sumama bigla yung emosyon ko pagkatapos kong maging sobrang saya. So, I just found out na if you don't want that kind of feeling na manatili sa'yo, don't afraid that feeling. Instead, fight it. Like, duel it, challenge it, and play with it. Play with bad emotions. And until that bad emotion will just, you know, until hindi ka ma-defeat ng bad emotions na yun. And you can keep consistent. Even, you can also apply it on a motivation. If you cannot do things, well, duel yourself, fight for it, and just play with it until you can brute force your feeling, your emotion, and then, you know, hindi ka papangunahan ng emosyon. So, magagawa mo lahat ng bagay ng walang negative emotion or nararamdamang masama sa ginagawa mo. So, yun lang. Just be strong kind of you. And huwag mong hayaan na pahirapan ka ng sarili mo. Like, like pahirapan ka ng pakiramdam mo. And beside done, you're the ikaw ang night at ikaw yung creator ng ikaw ang manlilikha ng sarili mong pag-iisip. So kung ano ka sa tingin mo, yun lalabas ang character mo. Magiging character mo kung ano yung iniisip mo na ikaw. So be careful kung may masama kang emosyon o maganda, or be careful pag hindi toned yung emotion mo, kasi pag angry ka, magdi-display talaga yan sa buong katawan mo. Pag galit ka, magdi-display din yan. Pag masaya, basta magdi-display yung aura na yan. So yeah, just fight the feeling of emptiness. Fight the void until you wonder things consistently without any limitation anymore. So yun lang mga gusto kong sabihin or i-chat for now. Then I'm quietly comfortable naman makipag-usap dito at just something lang na gusto ko sabihin, kasi mahirap maipit sa masamang emosyon. At yun, natutunan ko siyang i-overcome. So yun lang, bye.